Today we are learning forms, and it's just a quick overview tutorial because we are learning form validation and form all the stuff which comes with forms when we are dealing with JavaScript and PHP. So this is just a quick overview. Okay, so every formula starts with a beginning form tag and an ending form tag. All right, then we have to declare where the action uh, begins. So we say index.html. So all this formula is processed on the index.html. So on this page, okay. Then we have to declare a method, post or get. I will tell you what this is a little bit later. And if you want to use files inside of your formula, like upload or downloading files and all that stuff, you need enctype multi-part form data, I guess. Multi-part form data, yeah. Multi-part form data, all right. So inside of a formula, you can write normal text like name, for example. And we put this, for example, here. And then we make a new input and give it the type text. Then we need to give it a name for the validation, for the processing stuff and all this stuff. So we name it name. Okay? You don't have to close it, but you can close it like this. And then we need a submit button. So we say input type submit. All right. Close it like this. And we reload our page. So we have name and a submit button. So what happens if we are submitting this form? We are redirected to the index.html. So nothing really happens. So if you're posting stuff, it's all the processing stuff is going on in the background, okay? And if you have a get method, when we write get inside of this, and we write our name and submit it. Okay, maybe we have to reload this page and submit it. You see name, and this is what we just have written inside of this formula. Okay, so if you have get, you post it, you don't post it, you get all the parameters you have in your formula inside of your URL, like question mark, and then the name of this field, which is name, and then the value of this field. All right. So you have different inputs. So for example, I can put address here and say text field, text area. All right. If we submit this now, what happens? I have an input for address, but it does not show up here. All right. So you need to give it a name, address. And if we're submitting this now, you will see if we reload this stuff again, sometimes it's a bit weird. You see that you're getting the address up here, and it's connected with this. All right. You have different inputs like mail. We say input, and we say type checkbox, for example. Close this, then female input type, and now we say radio. It doesn't make sense that I have a checkbox and a radio button, but I just show you the different inputs. All right, so the checkbox, you can uncheck it and check it, And if a radio button is pushed, you need to change it in a radio button group, but more later. So that's it for now. So what happens if we give this checkbot a name, mail, and we check this? We have to reload this page, of course, and we check this, and we see we get mail on. And if we're hitting this without, there is nothing up there. All right. So that's for it right now. I hope you'll have learned a little bit. And if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel. And see you in the next video. Bye.